Okay, how to edit stereo samples on the ASR-10. You will not have this problem on the EPS or the EPS-16 Plus because they're mono samplers. However, on the ASR-10, you're able to sample in stereo, and at first it's like, I want my money back. This sampler sucks. I can't edit stereo samples, but you can, and here's how. Before we get started with this, I want to invite you to like and share this video with others, and of course, if you haven't done so yourself, please subscribe. Now, remedying this problem is a simple process. However, if it's missed, it will wreak havoc on your life. So what we'll start off with is an initial stereo sample, and then we'll try to edit the sample as is right now, and we'll see how much problems we'll have, and then we'll fix that problem and see what happens. Okay, so there's a sample. Now, let's try to do something simple like edit the start point. Okay, watch this. Problems, immediate problems. You can hear that it's editing one side of the sample, i.e. one waveform in the stereo layer, and the other side is just playing from the beginning. So it's a big mess, and it's annoying. Now, is there a cure for this problem? Yes. And it's in an odd place. What we'll have to do is press edit, then layer, and scroll till you see stereo link. And right now it's in the off position. You have to turn that to the on position. And what this will do is it will link those two wave samples together as they were sampled. So now when I go back and edit, check out what happens. You hear some mess going on? What that is just the processing power of the ASR-10 trying to catch up. So at first it will seem out of sync, and then immediately when you try pressing it again, it catches up. The second wave sample, that is. So if you hear some stuff, don't freak out, that's normal. But now, as you can see, as you edit the samples, both left and right get edited together. Now you might be thinking, do you have to do this every single time you sample? No, what you can do now is you can save the stereo link parameter as part of the global settings for your ASR-10. So when you boot up with that particular OS on a floppy or a zip or whatever you do, it will load up that way. So all you have to do is get rid of anything you don't really want as far as settings go on your ASR-10 and go to Command System, and you'll see save global settings or save global parameters. I can't remember right now, but it's in there and you'll notice it when you see it. Just hit yes, it will save all that, so when you boot up, those will be your new default settings. And you can do this with a number of things, and I'll probably cover that in another video on what you can actually save and what you can't with your global settings, but this will remedy your problem and you won't have to worry about the ASR messing up on you every time you want to edit in stereo. Anyway, thank you for watching and listening. If you liked and learned something today, subscribe to us here. I will catch you on the next one. In the meantime, take care of yourself. Peace.